Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about suffixes able and ible. These suffixes turn words into adjectives that mean capable of something or suitable for something. Examples include readable, possible, and comfortable. Master these suffixes to build your English vocabulary. Able is the most common suffix. Use able when the base word exists by itself, like read plus able makes readable or comfort plus able makes comfortable. Ible is less common. Use ible when the base word is incomplete, like pos plus ible makes possible or sens plus ible makes sensible. The suffixes able and ible both mean capable of, suitable for, or able to be something. Readable means able to be read. Possible means able to happen. Comfortable means providing comfort. Visible means able to be seen. Flexible means able to bend. Acceptable means good enough. Here are common able words. Readable means easy to read. Comfortable means feeling relaxed. Acceptable means good enough. Manageable means easy to handle. Predictable means can be expected. Enjoyable means fun and pleasant. Notice how these base words exist alone before adding able. Now common ible words. Possible means can happen. Visible means can be seen. Responsible means must answer for something. Flexible means can bend. Sensible means has good sense. Horrible means causes horror. Notice ible words often come from incomplete base words. Quick comparison between able and ible. Able words include readable, comfortable, manageable, enjoyable. Ible words include possible, visible, flexible, horrible. Able is more common with complete base words. Ible is less common with incomplete bases. Both mean capable of something. Final memory tips. For able, remember table. Most words have complete base like table. For ible, remember Bible. These are rare words with incomplete base. Practice these rules daily. Use able for common words, ible for special cases. Practice makes perfect.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.